Hi, today in front of me Oppo A16S and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. After that we should tap to install, and now just let's wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, click to activate and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's, for example, use the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.